So as we go to the next layer, okay, which is Hive, Pig Latin and Mahout, what are these? These are the programming languages that can be used to manipulate data and do data analytics on Hadoop. Right? So Hadoop aims to be an ecosystem that's able to have as many types of people with different backgrounds, okay, programming language backgrounds, to quickly use Hadoop, to quickly utilize, the power of Hadoop. So therefore, if let's say you are very good in SQL, okay, SQL languages, so therefore Hive would be suitable for you. Okay, so but then, okay, if let's say you are not very good with SQL, right? So maybe you would want to use Pig Latin. Okay, maybe because you don't like to use Java, Python or SQL, okay, for that matter, because Mahout is more towards Java, okay, Java-like. So if you're very good in Java, you may want to use Mahout. Okay, so Hive is for SQL literate people. Okay, Pig Latin is for people who do not like Java or SQL, right? Okay, it has its own structured way of programming. Okay, and Mahout if you are very good in Java or you're very comfortable with Java, right? So you can pick and choose which one is it that suits you best, so you can quickly use Hadoop. Okay, so going to the topmost layer, okay, of Hadoop is something called Oozie. It is a workflow scheduler, okay, to manage Hadoop's jobs. So imagine that there are a lot of users, okay, using Hadoop, not just you alone. So therefore, there will be, okay, a queuing up of the computing resources or the machines, okay, the processors. So there has to be a scheduler that will schedule these jobs. Okay, these jobs. So that's what Oozie does. So if let's say you have a sequential job of you need to have A to be completed first, and then job B to be completed after, and job C to be completed last, okay, so you will need to get the assistance of Oozie. Okay. And finally, there is this thing called Zookeeper, okay, very unique names. I think it's because of how how animal-like it is. I mean, there's Hive, there's Pig, Latin, so I guess the best name would be Zookeeper. So what does Zookeeper do? It is actually a centralized service for maintaining the configuration information, the naming, okay, the providing of distributed synchronization, right? In other words, it is the manager that manages overall or overlook overall of what processes, okay, that's being launched into Hadoop. Okay, so that covers for emerging technologies, MapReduce. Okay, so takeaway message is that you will need to know to be very clear, all right, how MapReduce framework does, how does it work, okay, and in what situation that you can use it and how you should use it. All right, so just remember that example of the small, multiple small cars compared to one big car. So that is horizontal scaling. Okay, horizontal because it's going adding to the numbers instead of to the capacity. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.